Hey guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor. In this video, I'm going to talk about Litecoin, which is one of the most popular coins in the world. In fact, Litecoin was envisioned as the light version of Bitcoin. So we're going to take a quick look at it in terms of price and its fundamental analysis as well. But before we move ahead, a quick word from our sponsor, which is, by the way, a crypto exchange based in Singapore, and you can trade Litecoin and other popular cryptocurrencies on it. Bityard is a new cryptocurrency exchange based in Singapore whose main focus is to enable simple trading for its users, even with complex contracts. The registration process is so simple, it took me less than 90 seconds, and all you need is an email or phone number to get started. Every account gets access to the daily mining feature where all you have to do is just log in every day and you get free cryptocurrency. Isn't that cool? As a part of their promotions going on, currently you can earn cryptocurrency quickly and easily by claiming 1 USDT just by creating your account, then 2 USDT for verifying your email address and participating in the demo trading feature. Everybody, including me, have the ability to participate and be an affiliate with Bityard at bityard.com/KOL, and you can get your own affiliate link. You have the ability to demo trade with 100,000 USDT. It's a great cryptocurrency exchange and you can trade all popular altcoins over there. I've given a link to the bityard.com in the description down below, so make sure to check it out. So this is the daily chart of Litecoin to Bitcoin. So here we are trading Litecoin for Bitcoin, and this is fetched from the Poloniex cryptocurrency exchange. I've chosen Poloniex because it has a lot of history to it. The chart shows so much more data than something like Binance, which is fairly a newer exchange compared to Poloniex. So right now the Litecoin is trading at 0.0052, and it has gone down considerably compared to Bitcoin. Back in February it was trading at 0.008, and now we are down. We saw head and shoulders here, which is a bearish formation, and we got down. So to see the bigger picture, let's move to the weekly time frame. Here we can see a little bearish divergence forming on the MACD, and we have really huge amount of resistance. These are the Ichimoku clouds, and these form as high resistance areas for the price. So whenever there is price action, the outlines will act as resistance, and if you are able to close above the green cloud, then the outlines actually act as support. So, and these two lines as well of the Ichimoku cloud, they also act as resistance. So as you can see, we are forming bearish divergence, and this means that Litecoin is not going to perform as good as we think it would be when we look at the higher time frames. And you can always see that in the past as well, whenever we have formed bearish divergence on the MACD, the price has taken a nosedive, and I'm talking about the longer term picture of it, not the short term 5% pump here and there. I'm talking about those people who regularly go to work and do not do day trading. That includes me as well, because I don't like to day trade. There's too much manipulation here and there. However, when you look at the monthly time frame, you can see that the selling pressure is getting exhausted. So it clearly shows that it's a good time to start picking up some Litecoin. You can slowly build up your position, and it's a good time to get in Litecoin. And you can also see we have reached some really strong support levels here, especially this one where we are right now. So we can stick on this level for a few months before making a higher move up. Now this does not mean that Litecoin will not go up in USD value. In fact, it will go up as everything is paid to Bitcoin, whenever the price of Bitcoin goes up or goes down, the USD values of the altcoins also go up and down. So let me change to daily time frame. As you can see here, we went up from about $25 in March 30, and now we are hovering at around $50. We're under 50 right now, but we saw a huge move in the past 7 days. We went from around $40 and we today reached $50.89 on the Coinbase, and right now we are at 47.03. so you can still buy some Litecoin under $50, which is a huge thing, because keep in mind, this coin is a legit coin that's been around from a long time. You can see that it reached $418 during the bull run, during the mania phase, as I would like to call. So it's a great time to get in. Look at it. We got plenty of time to accumulate here, and then boom. So slowly start building our position, because it's a great time to get into crypto world right now. The Bitcoin is still under $10,000, and once the Bitcoin settles in and start moving sideways, we could see a big altcoin season, and that means the Litecoins, like Litecoin especially, would skyrocket in such situations. Hey, you can see on the daily time frame, we saw some resistance here. You see, it got rejected immediately. We went down, and now the RSI is nearly oversold. We are due for another correction to upside now, actually. So once this fares out in a few days, we might see an upside action. But we are taking a look at the higher time frames here, not at the daily or hourly, because we are not day traders, right? So if you're in building a position, this is the time to get in, because there are still, like, I think the proper altcoin season will start maybe after September or October. But if the Litecoin wants to do something, it can do a quick run side to the up and maybe go up like that. Will it do it? Probably not, but this is crypto. But looking at the other technical indicators like MACD here and RSI, well, it definitely does not look like that we are going to have a altcoin season or a Litecoin season. Still, what are the potential upside targets, if you ask me? Well, when it comes to LTC BTC ratio, the next major resistance that I see here is 0.007374. This is the next resistance that I see. Major resistance I'm talking about, not the small resistance like 0.07, 0.058 and something like that. Those are daily resistance levels, but we're talking about long-term resistance levels. So this is a major resistance, and then we have, this is next resistance, 0.009, and then I'm telling you the resistance level at which you can start selling your Litecoin for Bitcoin, if that is what you are into. If you want to increase your Bitcoins, that's what you do. You buy an altcoin and then you wait for it to go up, and then you sell at particular levels, and that is how you increase your Bitcoin earnings. So yeah, the next resistance would be 0.015. And if you take a look at the bigger picture, in 2017, we were able to reach 0.0236 BTC as well. So as you can see that after 0.015 and 0.0 238. There is not much resistance. uh, there's in fact around 50% price gap between these two ranges. So start selling your Litecoin once it reaches these levels. Don't sell all of your bag in one go. Have a plan and start accumulating some Litecoin now, and before we can have such a big altcoin season. If we have a big altcoin season like 2017, and we don't know when it is going to start, so but we can actually see that we are still in the accumulation phase right now. And if you are in fiat and not in Bitcoin, it's a good time to start accumulating Litecoin, because hey, the Litecoin, any Litecoin under $50 is basically a steal. As you can see here, the Litecoin is still under $50, and we are still far away from the its top, which was around $400. It's amazing to see such an asset going down so much. Litecoin is currently in accumulation phase, and probably in a few months we will be able to get the price to the upside, both in BTC levels and dollar levels. Litecoin is one of the safest projects to invest in, probably because it shares so much with the Bitcoin, and it has been around for so much time. Litecoin is basically a project fork of Bitcoin. It is not a fork of the original Bitcoin, but it is a so-called project fork. It has some of the code that the Bitcoin has, but it is not a fork of Bitcoin. And you can see that on the Reddit of the Litecoin, it is fairly active. There is so much of progress going on. The Mimblewimble integration is also being done, which will bring optional privacy to the Litecoin. This will be great for those who want to hide their balance while sending the money to somebody else. This will be great. They have a great wallet. They have a great community. If you ask something, you will definitely get an answer, and you are not harassed for being a noob or anything like that. So they are very helpful, and these are few things which I love about Litecoin. It's a very safe investment, and if you are looking for something to invest other than Bitcoin, it's a great investment to have in your portfolio. It's a great asset. So that's all about it. I'm bullish about Litecoin, and it's a great time to start having a position on Litecoin. Hope you like this video, and stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency analysis. Bye bye.